I wanted to bring all of you really important information, an announcement that we have recently received. Our firm, our attorneys at Immigration for Couples, we're members of something called AILA, the American Immigration Lawyers Association. And AILA has liaisons that work with USCIS to report issues and things that we're seeing and trends. And so one of the things that AILA has announced is that there has been an alert, there has been changes to interview scheduling, specifically as it relates to USCIS offices. So that means the offices that are here in the United States, those USCIS offices. For adjustment interviews, naturalization interviews, and even oath ceremonies, we are seeing, American Immigration Lawyers Association has announced that some individuals are receiving interviews outside of normal scheduling times. By that, I mean people are being scheduled very early in the morning, in the evening, and even on weekends. They're also seeing that individuals are being scheduled for outside of their jurisdiction, which that means that you're being scheduled for your interview farther away from your home in an office that really is not the office that you should have your interview. And this announcement, I just want to make sure I share this with all of you right away. So if you happen to get an interview that is outside of normal scheduling time, normal operating hours for USCIS, or if you get an interview notice for a place that's outside of your jurisdiction, that's much further away from your home than you expected, if you have an attorney, you should reach out to your attorney, and you can actually call the USCIS contact center to report this issue. And then that would be something you would decide with your attorney if you're able and want to still attend that interview or oath ceremony. It might likely be something you'll want to try to do so you don't have delays in your case, but it will really also depend on your case. And again, talking to your attorney and deciding what's best for you. Mainly, I wanted to just let all of you know that this is happening. So if you get an interview notice or an oath ceremony, if you have applied for naturalization, and if you notice, again, it's on the weekend or outside of normal business hours, pay really close attention, because that is what's happening right now. And hopefully that's something that they will be able to remedy. USCIS has said unofficially that they are trying to find ways to deal with the extreme backlogs. And so likely they were trying to overcome these backlogs and get as much work done as possible. But the main takeaways that I want all of you to have is just that these interviews are being scheduled outside of normal business hours, and then contacting the USCIS contact center if for any reason you can't attend. That would be your next step. All right, so I hope that information was helpful. All right, so I know we have some individuals who are watching right now live. If any of you have questions, feel free to put them in the comments and I will answer them while you're doing that. And if you don't have any questions, that's fine. Just want to give you the opportunity to ask. If you do, I'll answer as many as I can, time permitting. While I'm waiting for you to put questions in, if you have them, I know a lot of you weren't here at the beginning, so I wanted to let all of you know that, as I mentioned at the beginning, our firm, Immigration for Couples, is dedicated exclusively to helping couples and navigating the immigration process. And we here, everybody on our team, and I know you do too, that your relationship is the most important part of your immigration case. It's really important to us as well. And we know that the immigration journey can be overwhelming and stressful. And that is why we are having world-class experts come and do weekly coaching with us called 28-Day Legendary Love is what the event is called. My friends Marla and Julian will be coaching all of you on tools and techniques to strengthen and grow your relationship. That will start on September 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern time, and we'll have official announcements, but there'll be an opportunity not only for you to learn during that lesson, but also to ask your questions live so you can get world-class support from amazing relationship experts.